So one of the features of SipperViz is that you can return the data that was used to create each plot. This is a drink count plot, and here this wouldn't be so interesting because this is pretty literally what is in the Sipper data file. It's just the left count column and the right count column plotted over time. But there are other plots where this is more useful. So I'm going to create a new interdrink intervals plot. So this is a histogram showing the minute, the amount of time in between each consecutive drink. Just to note about settings here, you can turn off this fit line here. You can also turn off plotting on a logarithmic axis. And just for this plot specifically, you can, instead of plotting, combining the data from all these files into one, you can plot them all separately. So here you'll see each file separately. But so for here, there's been some processing to go into this, which is not readily apparent from any of these data files. So if you want to get this data out, you can hit this data button, and I'm just going to save it on the desktop. And for this plot specifically, it creates two files, one for data corresponding to the bar values, and one for data corresponding to the KDE. And here, if we were to plot this again, how to use Excel. Okay, here we go. Then you get basically the curve that went into that plot. So this is, again, maybe not the most helpful use of this, but you should be aware of this as we get into more complicated plots that are aggregating data. It can be helpful if you want to get that data out for either making your own plots or doing statistics or anything like that.